So my favorite thing about USEMCO is it's a very family-oriented company. I feel like we're not just a number that everyone kind of knows everyone here. USEMCO is kind of divided into two separate portions. We have our custom tank and fabrication side, and then we have our pump station side. As an engineer, my favorite thing would probably be that I can design something that's never been built before, and then the guys in the shop working with me, we can build something that's never been. I've been with USEMCO for almost 7 years now. I think what makes USEMCO unique is that we house so many different trades under one roof. We have welding, machining, and carpentry. We also have electrical, plumbing, and painting. We can potentially tackle any project that we set our minds to. USEMCO offers two different apprenticeship programs. We have a carpentry, welding, and electrical for high schoolers, but then we also have a journeyman electrician for adults. USEMCO's work culture is very friendly. Everyone's willing to help out anyone in pretty much any circumstances. And I think that has taught me that just getting my work done isn't the main goal. The main goal is to try to make the company better and try to make the workplace a better environment too. So when I started, I was very green. I had the college degree, but I didn't have a lot of work experience. And so I didn't know nominal pipe size. So I designed a project that used a lot of 1.5-inch piping and 2-inch piping. Well, I didn't realize that 1.5-inch piping OD was 1.9 inches and 2-inch piping is 2 3/8 inches. So I designed something that used the nominal size in it, which was wrong, and I had to redesign everything for it. Through the help of one of our more senior employees, I was able to learn a lot about how we did it as a company and how the industry kind of builds certain products. And that taught me a lot. The individuals at the company were willing to help me out. We got it fixed and there was no major issues after that.